Heyo, what's up guys? Welcome to Native TCG. Got some Pokemon. Let's get right into it. Of course, we got the little Pikachu coin. 30th anniversary. 1 Mega Evolution. 2 Phantasmal Flames, and of course the Cosmic Pikachu Stamp 2026 Pokemon Day, it says. Cute. Make sure you guys sleeve that up, and if you have to, make sure you always get it in the top loader. Alright, let's get the video started. Start out with Phantasmal Flames. Let's get that Charizard gold card. Let's go. Or any other gold card. Let me see. Got the code card right there. Let's do this. Ooh, Fire Energy. Ooh, did you see that? Chocolate. Molcart. Lobray. Some of these names are just crazy, you know, so like I'm like astonished. Oh, cool. Got me a cool one. Alright, let's put that one away. Another one. Okay, hopefully we get something here. Okay, Psychic. Ooh, yeah! And we got a hit, guys. Can we get third time's the charm with Mega Evolutions? Let's go. And SIR. Any SIR I haven't got would be sweet. Here we go. Basic Energy. Tinkatink. Hongsoon. Magnezone. Drizzle. Ooh, Kyogre and Hollow. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and have a good day.